Today, I'm sharing a simple and effective way to convert any YouTube video link into an actual video file, right inside Telegram. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get from a plain old URL to a downloadable MP4 file, ready to save, share, or watch offline whenever you like. No extra software, no sketchy websites, just your Telegram app and a few easy steps. Let's jump straight in and get started. First, we'll need to find a Telegram bot that can handle the conversion for us. There are several out there, but one popular and reliable choice is called a Converter bot. Think of these bots like digital helpers. They're designed to automate repetitive tasks, and in this case, fetch and convert the video for you. To find the bot, open Telegram and use the search function at the top. Just type File Converter Bot or the specific name at Converter Bot. Make sure you're selecting a bot with decent user reviews or one that's been recommended, as some bots can be overloaded or not working. Don't worry if you see a few options, you just want one that's active and proven to work. Once you've found the right bot, tap into its chat and prepare to start the process. To begin, you'll need to activate the bot by sending a simple start command. This is like knocking on the bot's door and letting it know you want its help. The bot usually replies with a brief welcome message and instructions, walking you through what it can do and how to use it. Take a moment and read what it sends back. If anything feels unclear, most bots have a help section or tips right there. If for some reason you're met with silence, double-check you're using the official bot or try refreshing your connection. Now here's the fun part, you're ready to send your YouTube link. Just copy the URL of the video you want to convert, then paste it into the chat with the bot. This step might feel a bit odd the first time since you're sending a link to an automated account, but rest assured, this is exactly what the bot is expecting. Give it a second to process. Sometimes it can take a few moments, depending on the video length and server load. If it doesn't accept your link, make sure you've copied the full URL and that the video isn't restricted or private. Once the bot accepts your link, it will offer you a list of format or resolution options. Most bots give you choices like MP4 in different qualities. Choosing the right format is important depending on your needs. Higher resolution means better picture quality but larger file size, while lower quality will download faster and take up less space. For example, if you want the video on your phone with limited storage, a smaller resolution may be perfect. If you're sharing a clip for a presentation or want the best viewing experience, go for higher resolution. Feel free to ask the bot for clarification if you're unsure, or look up which format suits your device best. Take a moment here to pick what's right for you. There's no harm in taking a bit more time. Once your selection is made, the bot gets to work. Processing can take a moment, especially for longer videos, so don't worry if nothing happens instantly, just hold tight. After the conversion is complete, you'll see a message pop up with the MP4 file sent directly to your Telegram chat. That's it. The video is now yours to save, download, or forward as you wish. You can tap and hold the video to save it to your device straight from Telegram. And that's the whole workflow. Pretty neat, right? If any step doesn't seem to work or the bot throws an error, don't panic. Sometimes servers are overloaded or specific links don't process due to copyright restrictions. Feel free to try again or look for an alternative bot. I hope this helped demystify the process of turning a YouTube link into a video file right inside Telegram. If you found this tutorial useful, hit that like button, and if you have questions, drop them below. I do my best to reply to everyone. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy downloading.